what's up guys, it's Phil here. On today's video we'll be showing you guys the Smittybilt Awning system, and this is the 2787 model. We went ahead and got this from Overlanded, so if you guys need any equipment or any gear, make sure you guys head on over there. I'll drop a link below. What I like about this awning system is actually very budget friendly. Compared to the last awning system I had from ARB, that system was about $500. The brackets that I had to get was about another $150. This system was about $230. Not only that, but it came with universal mounts so that you're able to apply this to several applications. Because I had the gobi setup and the ikamper setup, it was a little bit different to reconfigure, but with a little bit of fabrication, we were able to get this done. So if you want to see the whole install video, make sure you guys watch till the end. But now I'm going to go ahead and set this up for the very first time. It's a heavy duty cover. It has 4 Velcro straps to hold the awning in place. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and slide these extension poles out. These are the side supports. Let's go ahead and get these installed first. So just like my previous ones, you just twist the poles and then they'll lock into place, so you get it to the right position and you just twist. Twist to unlock. Again, we'll line up the holes and you just twist to lock in. Now the legs fold down. I'll tackle one at a time. Twist. Twist to lock. Twist to lock. Okay, now I have it set up. Now I want to do some fine adjustments. Velcro the top down. It'll protect that against the wind. So let's see, I have it pretty parallel to the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and measure the clearance here. My car is lifted 2.5 inches. It's about 6'5". So this is the awning system. Lightweight aluminum poles. Couple Velcro straps to hold everything in place. It's pretty nice, especially only $230. Definitely a nice budget system from a reputable brand like Smittybilt. I can't wait to take this outdoors and give it a shot. The last time I was at the Colorado River, it was really hot and I wish I had the awning system. So this is definitely gonna be a huge plus when we go out there. Let's go ahead and retract. So there you go, it's pretty easy, one person can do it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys hit like, make sure you guys hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. So this is my current setup. It's the ikamper on the gobi rack. This is the universal brackets that come with the Smittybilt XL, and it pretty much is supposed to fit underneath here. We'll twist it in there and it will clamp on and hold the awning in place. But as you can see, the U brackets here are actually not long enough to clamp onto both of the bars on the gobi rack. So what we're going to be doing is going to be customizing this. We're going to be bending it so that not only does it hold on to both of the bars to keep it consistent, but it's also going to be sitting more flushed. So this is the outcome of the bend. It's similar to when I purchased a bracket from Gobi, and it's just going to sit like this. We've measured it, and it's going to sit perfectly tucked underneath here. Well, at least that's the goal. So these are some of the universal brackets and parts that were included. They even included an Allen key and also a wrench. We're going to go ahead and hammer down and bend the brackets. We're going to go ahead and pre-fit the bracket, mark the hole so that we know where we're going to be drilling. All right, this is what we've made so far. This is the Brent bracket. It's gonna be here. This is going to be the spacer to hold things together. We've pre-drilled 2 holes. It's gonna pretty much be clamped on to both of the bars. It's gonna be really sturdy. Tight fit, but you gotta put the screws in there so that it fits into the channels. We're gonna go ahead and use the bolts that were included and go ahead and tighten away. Got the mounting brackets on. Time to mount the awning. Tighten the last 4 bolts and the awning's on. All right guys, that's the full install video on the Smittybilt Awning, the 2787 model. Again, I want to thank Overlanded.com for sponsoring this product. I also want to thank Ham from Ham Fabrication for helping me with the install. I really can't wait to take this out and put it to use over the next weeks. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit like, make sure you guys hit subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the trail.